Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Gracious Womanhood. My name is Nirima Gupta and I'm here back again to share with you all another makeup look. Like, it's been so long that I did a makeup look, and today I'm here to specifically do a video for you guys using few of my current favorite products that I recently got my hands on. So this is a newly launched brand in India, and brand is vegan, it is cruelty free, all their products are plant based, which is a very plus point. So guys, the makeup look that I'm gonna do today is basically a teenage makeup look. The days while we are in our teenage, the days we have to go out, for our college or for our basic school functions, or basic birthday celebrations of friends. So for that, we definitely apply some makeup so that we look more enhanced and more beautified. So the products that I'm going to use are the four main key products of this particular company. So I really wanted to share with you because teenage is a particular age where we tend to break out more, where we tend to have a skin which is on the verge of breaking out a lot. So we definitely do not want any chemical loaded products to be used on our face. Rather, we want to go with something which is very plant based, very natural. So this particular company is a savior in that. So yes, without any further ado, let's start with the video now. Alright guys, so the very first product that I'm going to talk about of this particular brand. So let me all introduce this particular brand. It is Daughter Earth. The very first product that I have been using of this particular brand is their Blue Light Mist. As you can see, this comes in a glass bottle and this is so cute and so handy. It is a very cute glass bottle. So talking about this mist, this is Daughter Earth Probiotic and Plant Stem Cells Blue Light Mist. Now we all know when we step out in the sun or we step out of our houses, after a few hours of going out, we definitely feel that we need something to again freshen up our faces, and for that we invest our money in so many mists for our face, so that we get that freshened up look once again while we are out. So this comes as a savior over there. So this is their Blue Light Mist. This is 50 ml of product, but it is a lot of quantities there, 50 ml of product. And this retails for, I'll just quickly tell you. So this is 50 ml of product and this retails for rupees 785. This has kombucha, this has holy basil, this has vitamin B5, niacinamide, hyaluronic acid. Now this has to be sprayed onto face and neck from a distance. It can be used all day to hydrate and refreshen the skin. Also, this can be used AM and PM both. Like at night while you wash your face, after you wash your face, you just need to apply a little bit of it. So before I start with my makeup, I just like to take this spray. I just keep it at a little distance from my skin, and I just like to spray directly onto my face. Just like that, like 4 or 5 sprays, and it smells so fresh like cucumber. And once it's sprayed on your face, and once you feel that it has covered all your face, you just need to let it dry naturally. Don't put any cotton ball or anything, or just you may just use your hand to tap dry. Otherwise, just let it dry naturally. So once it is nice and dry, as I can see, I like to go ahead with my moisturizer, and I use my particular moisturizer that I love. I just like to take a little bit of my moisturizer and massage it into my hands first, and then apply it all over my face. I'm gonna take a little bit of my CC cream. I love CC creams a lot. And then I'm gonna just take it on my brush, foundation brush, and then apply it all over my face. Guys, make sure that you're using any sort of brush or a sponge, because that tends to beautifully apply your product. And this is how I do it. In the downward strokes, I apply my CC cream, BB cream, or foundation or whatsoever. Currently it is a CC cream, so I just like to do it like that. I just need a little bit of base, I don't want to go looking heavy for any college function or any birthday party or anything like that. So just go ahead very light. Don't put a lot of base or a lot of makeup, because this what I'm putting currently might be seeming a little brightened to you, or light, the shade might appear light to you, but this is just because of the lighting that I'm currently using. Otherwise, the shade perfectly suits me. And it also oxidizes, you know, after an hour or so, the makeup also oxidizes. So just use it like that. Don't forget to cover your ear. Don't forget to cover your neck part. So this is how you go ahead. Done with that, done with the base, just not the complete base, but yeah, done with the CC cream for now. Now I have some imperfections on my face, guys. So the imperfections on my face are a little bit of dark circles, though I don't have a lot, but a little bit of, you know, just a little bit of dark patches under my eye, and this burnt mark over here, if it's visible to you. This burnt mark I got from a curling rod while I was curling back 1 year back. So this and a little bit of, you know, this dark patches under my skin. For that, I'm going to use one of my current favorite concealer. I'm going to share with you. It is from the same brand, that is Daughter Earth. So this over here is the concealer. It is from the same brand, Daughter Earth. Look at the packaging, guys. The packaging in itself is very, very, you know, fantasizing. And this is the concealer. The shade over here is perfect to hide any imperfections, because when you need to hide any imperfection on your face, you need to have a darker shade of concealer. And I'm gonna apply it over here and a little bit over here just to hide that. And I'm not going very heavy, so I'm not using a lot of it. So I'm gonna take my concealer brush. So here is my concealer brush. I'm gonna dip it in this concealer. This is a cream concealer, and once I use it, you'll see how beautifully it, you know, hides all the imperfections. So I'm gonna dip my concealer brush into it directly, and I'm gonna put it and apply it on this particular burnt mark first, so that it hides this first. And then I'm going to go ahead with the under eye. So a concealer brush works perfectly, you know, when you try to put concealer and when you try to hide your imperfections. And I'm going to apply it over my lid as well. And this is how I use my concealer. Now, talking about this particular product first, this is again from Daughter Earth. The speciality especially is that it is, I'll just show you right over here if you all can see. So these are the 3 key points that are mentioned over here. I'll read them out for you. This is cruelty free, the very, very best thing. This is vegan. This is 100% free from parabens, petrolatum, silicones, artificial fragrance, and animal cruelty, which is the best part, guys. So this is why I prefer this product, and the price for this particular product is rupees 1250 or 1250 INR, and the net weight is 4.5 grams. So this is a lot of product, you know. It doesn't tend to finish off that easily, so you can definitely invest in this particular concealer, and I love it. You can go according to your shade. I'm gonna link all the products in the description box, so you may go and check out for yourself over there. So done with the concealer, let us just set our base. So make sure whenever you apply some foundation, BB cream, CC cream, concealer or whatsoever, just quickly, you know, put on some powder and just set it down. Set down your makeup so that all the makeup just penetrates deep into your skin and doesn't look cakey at all, or doesn't just wash off that easily once you sweat or something like that. So I'm gonna quickly take my compact and I'll just swirl my compact brush and apply it all over my face. I'll not just go with the areas where I have concealed, rather I apply it all over my face. So a compact, it tends to, you know, settles up all the base you have applied. So yeah, done with that. As I told you earlier, I am going very light on my face today because this is a teenage makeup look. I'll not be putting anything extra or anything very heavy. Moving on to the next part of the makeup, which is my most favorite one, and that is blush. You know, basically if I'm given an option to choose between a blush or a bronzer, I'm gonna definitely go ahead with a blush, because blush tends to make you look, you know, more girly and makes you look more bubbly. So I'm gonna use my blush, and again I'm gonna use the particular third product that I'm gonna talk about is from the particular brand Daughter Earth, and it is their blush. So this over here, guys, I don't know if it's visible to you or not. So this over here is the lip and cheek tint by Daughter Earth. So Daughter Earth's Glacial Nude Lip and Cheek Tint. I'm going to quickly use it and show you how beautiful it looks. And this is basically, again, somewhere around 4.5 gram of product. The the quantity was mentioned over the packaging, which I have thrown away. So this retails for rupees 975. I guess the amount is very reasonable, as you're getting all the products, you know, plant-based, all the products vegan, and all the products cruelty free. They are not loaded with chemical and all of that, so the amount is quite reasonable. So the price is quite reasonable. So this is how the blush comes. You need to remove this lid as well, this cover as well, and you're gonna take your blush brush. I just like to dip my blush brush into it, and once I have a good quantity, and this is also guys, this is also cream based. So first let me show you the consistency. Can you see? This is the blush, and once you, this is too much of it, I have taken a lot of it, but once you blend it, as it is a cream blush, this is how natural it looks, guys. Just look at it, how natural. Nobody could find easily that is it you glowing in particular, is it you blushing in particular, or is it the makeup that you have put. So nobody's gonna find out. So you're gonna take your blush onto a blush brush, or you can use your fingers as well, but I preferably go ahead with a blush brush, and then I applied at 3 places, both my cheeks and then my nose, because I like my nose to, you know, get that blushed effect, which is trending these days. A lot of girls are putting their blushes on their nose because that looks really cheeky and bubbly. So applying my blush, I don't know if my camera is doing justice to the blush, because there is a lot of lightning. That ring light effect is there a lot, so I don't know if it's visible to you or not, but believe me, the fragrance is really nice. The texture is really nice. And applying a generous amount even on my nose. That's it. I'm gonna take my compact brush and I'm just gonna swirl it all over the places where I have applied the blush, so that all the excess product gets picked up. Yeah, that's it for the blush part. As I told you, this is a creamy blush, but again, very, you know, very good for the teenagers. I'm like so in love with this product. Now this is teenagers, this is teenage makeup look, but anybody can go ahead with it. So now moving on to the next part, or the last part, but before that, let me just complete my eye makeup look a little bit. Let me just fill in my brows, and let me just put some kajal, and then I'll return back to you all. So yeah guys, I'm done with my eye look also. I have just applied a little bit of kajal, you know, on my waterline, and you know, all the girls during their teenage you like to put you know, kajal a lot, and then I have applied a little bit of mascara because that gives a widened effect to my eyes. I have also filled in my brows, and to fill in my brows I have not, you know, used any particular brow product. Rather, I'll show you. I use an angular brush like this. I put it in any, you know, dark shade of like black or brown shade of, I kind of mix brown and black shade of any eyeshadow palette, and I fill in my brows. This is my go-to thing for my eyebrows. I don't go ahead with those perfect making lines and all. Rather, I just do it like that if I have to go out randomly. So yeah, done with everything except for the lipstick. And now introducing my current favorite lipstick. This lipstick is something that, you know, I'm gonna invest more of my money in such kind of lipsticks, because they are again plant-based, vegan, cruelty-free, not tested on animals. And the lipstick I'm gonna show you is again by Dr. Earth. So this is how the lipstick looks like. I'm gonna quickly open and show it to you. So this is the lipstick, and this pretty shade over here, can you all see how beautiful the shade is? I'm going to show you over here the shade. So this is a very pretty mocha shade. Okay, the shade of this particular lipstick is Midnight Mocha, again very favorite of mine. I'm going to apply it in front of you all quickly so that you can see how beautiful the lipstick is, how beautiful the tint of this lipstick is. This is very creamy product. So can you all see? Yes, so done with it. I have gone a little overboard with the lipstick because rest of the face is very, very simple and very, toned down. So I wanted to give my face a little bit of that extra spark, and that is why I have put this shade of lipstick. And I am perfectly ready to go out for any teenage, teenage gatherings or teenage functions or friend's birthday party or anything of that sort. I'll quickly complete the look by wearing my loops, which is a very hit accessory while you're in your teenage days, because they look super cool and super chic and very much gives you that perfect teenage look. So yeah, this is how I created this look using 4 of my current favorite products from Dr. Earth. So that is all for the look. This is how I create my teenage look, or I would create my teenage look if I would be back in my teenage days. And this is something you can definitely go ahead with this. And that is all for the video, guys. If you like the video, hit like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel so that we could go ahead more and further, and we could just do our subscriber count to 50,000. Currently we haven't reached 10,000 yet, but we're definitely gonna reach 50,000 very soon. Thank you so much for coming here and stopping by. Take care. Bye bye.